Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload a new video. I want you to continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, I am going to be talking about the items that came in this month's BoxyCharm box. Yes, this is the first box in the new year, 2019. And there were some really good items that came in this month's box. So I'm going to jump right in to show you guys the items, and then I'll do a little demo a little bit further into the video. The theme from this month's BoxyCharm box is Boxy and Chill. So this is super cute. And I got variation 3, so you can tell which variation, which determines which products are going to be in your box by the little marker that's here in the corner on the info card. So as you can see, there's a little 3 there. That's an indication that my box is variation 3. So the first item that we're going to talk about is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So I love all things Tatcha, you guys, and I was super excited to get these in this month's BoxyCharm box. So these are the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and these retail price for $24. So I believe that's going to be $12 for each one of these packs. So for the 2 that came in this box, that's for a total of $24. And this particular mask claims to nourish the skin from within using a lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum, imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, instantly restores skin's health and radiance. So again, I am all about the skincare, and I love all of the products from Tatcha. The next item that I want to talk about is from Briogeo. So this is not the first time that Briogeo has been in my BoxyCharm box. So before I got, I believe it was a leave-in conditioner from Briogeo as part of my BoxyCharm box. This is the Referral Milk, and it's a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. And on the info card here, it says effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Referral Milk spray, infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture and restoring luster and diminishing frizz. And the next item is a long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra, and it's in the color Havana Lights. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is a really pretty color. This is my first lip product from Ofra. And on the info card here, it says that this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color and perfectly outlines and fills the lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. So I am wearing this lip color right now. It's a very pretty color. It's like that vampy red type color, so very, very pretty. So I'm glad to have my first Ofra product in my collection. And this next item is the Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil from Starlux. This is just a simple black eyeliner pencil, and the info card says Starlux expands into a mechanical eye pencil with launch exclusive to BoxyCharm. So I guess this is an item that is exclusive to BoxyCharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use pencil sharpener. So this is pretty cool. I'm not quite sure how this self-sharpening concept works, but yeah, I used this on my eyes today, so can never have too many eyeliner pencils, so super glad to get this in my box. I also got from Dr. Brandt the Luminizer Primer. And I used this product today for this video, but for some reason the information regarding this item was not on my info card. So I'm not quite sure why that is, but yeah, I did use this today. So the instructions on the packaging here says to apply to a clean, moisturized face, use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM and PM. So we'll see, but I'm always glad to get primers. I love using primers under my foundation, so I'm super glad to have this in my collection. And last but not least, from Tarte, Rainforest of the Sea. This is volume 3. This is their eyeshadow palette. And I was really anxious to try this product out. I have a couple of Tarte eyeshadow palettes in my collection already, but the packaging on this is so cute. Look at this packaging. It is so cute. So I'm really glad to have this. I really had hoped that I would have gotten one of the other volumes in this collection from Tarte. It's the one that has more of the pinky kind of burgundy type of shades in it, because one of the things that kind of scares me or makes me a little concerned about this palette is the fact that the majority of these shades are all shimmer shades. So that's the scary part for me, because I do have hooded eyes. I'm also dealing with mature skin, so for my eyeshadow applications, I need something that's going to be matte so that I can use it as my transition shade and use it in my crease area. I'm very hesitant to put a shimmer shade in my crease area because it doesn't really complement me the way that I would like it to. I don't know if it works that way for everybody, but for me, it just doesn't do that. But anyway, the shades in this palette are really pretty. And I did use some of these shimmer shades to create this look today. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this demo, but I want to mention that since there weren't any matte shades that were close to my skin tone that I could use as transition shades in this palette, I did have to go into one of my other Tarte palettes to create this look today. If you'd like to see how I created this and put it all together from my BoxyCharm box, then keep watching. My face has been moisturized and I am using the Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. From the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, I'm using the color Escape as my brow bone highlight. I'm going into my Tarte Toasted palette and I'm going to be using the shade Cozy, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going back into my palette from the Rainforest of the Sea and I'm using the color Compass, and I'm using this on my lid. I'm not carving out my lid, I'm just using this palette as I would on an everyday basis. And I'm using the shade Malibu on the outer portion of my lid. Not bad at all. I'm going to line my eyes with the Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil in black. This pencil has a very fine, pointy, sharp tip. And now I'm using what has become my favorite mascara. It's the Superhero Mascara from It Cosmetics. I got this in one of my previous BoxyCharm boxes. I'm looking at how this look is coming together and it looks okay, but I'm not 100% satisfied with it. So I'm going back in with some MAC Fix Plus and I'm going into the color Compass. And this time it's on a wet brush. And I'm using this to add a little bit more shine and shimmer to those lids. Same color, just on a wet brush instead of the dry brush. What a difference a little MAC Fix Plus made. Look at that. I missed my brush once again, went back into the color Malibu with the wet brush, and I'm adding that to the outer portion of my lid once again. And look at the difference. Yes, this is what I need from this palette. Now I'm going back into my Toasted palette and I'm going to use the shade Fireside to add just a little bit more definition in my crease area. I cannot put a shimmer shade here, so I'm going to have to use this Toasted palette to help me out in this area. Nice, very nice. And I'm using the long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra. This is in the color Havana Nights. And I've lined my lips with a deep red lip pencil first before applying this liquid lipstick. And we are done. If you'd like to become a BoxyCharm charmer and want to receive your own BoxyCharm box, I will leave a referral link in the comment section below, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com and sign up to start receiving your own box. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.